Welcome to the blockchain crash course. In a few hours, you'll go from zero to deploying smart contracts and building real dApps. No fluff, just practical labs, security best practices, and portfolio worthy projects. Let's build. Imagine a world where you control your digital money directly, software enforces agreements without middlemen, and developers can build global applications that run 24/7 without a single company owning them. That's the world blockchain helps create, and that's what you'll be able to build after this course.
Hi, I am Hisbullah, and in this crash course,
We'll go from zero to building real blockchain apps, understanding Bitcoin's fundamentals, writing Solidity smart contracts, deploying dApps to testnets, and learning how to protect your code like an auditor. By the end, you'll have a portfolio-ready capstone. Short overview of modules: fundamentals, Bitcoin deep dive, Ethereum and smart contracts, DeFi primitives, scaling layer 2, security audits, and finally your capstone. Blockchain is an industry with rapidly growing developer demand, new financial models, and exciting product possibilities: payments, identity, supply chain, gaming, NFTs, and more. Learning blockchain development opens careers in DeFi, NFT platforms, infrastructure, and startup founding. Don't worry, the first assignment walks you through it step by step. Each lesson ends with a lab and small assignment. The final capstone is a deployable dApp and a short security toxicology review. Start by completing assignment 0, environment setup. After you finish, jump into topic 1, where we'll answer the big question: why should we study blockchain? See you there. 1. Which tool will you use for smart contract compilation and testing in this course? A. Hardhat. B. VS Code. C. MetaMask. D. Docker 2. The capstone requires deploying to A. Localhost only. B. Testnet. C. Mainnet only. D. A paper design. 3. MetaMask is used for A. Writing Solidity. B. Managing keys, sending transactions. C. Indexing blocks. D. Compiling contracts. 4. True-false node. JS is required to run many blockchain dev tools: Hardhat, Ethers.js. 5. Which of these is not part of the recommended environment? A. Git. B. VS Code. C. MetaMask. D. Microsoft Word.